Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you've seen from the title and the thumbnail, what I'm doing today bhanera haina. So today I'm gonna show you my everyday products which I use on my skin or anywhere haina. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product which I use is my serum, obviously haina. This serum is from Derma, 10% wala, 10% niacinamide wala face. This is really nice serum. I've been using this serum from so long, that's why my face it has improved a lot. Back then manda ta ramrai bhako obviously, and this is the serum I literally use every day, 2 times a day. And before that, when after that I wanted to use this plum wala serum, this rice water wala. This one is also 10% niacinamide. I wanted to use this one as well. So this one is also nice. Obviously it is nice. It is mostly for the acne scars and it is also for acne scars and whatnot. So yeah, it has been my life changer. It has improved my skin a lot better than before. And the next thing I use is my moisturizer, which is also from Derma. Derma products is really nice, guys. This one is like 1% salicylic acid bako, and I have been using this for so long also. Like my songe kineko duita, and this is my like I don't know 4th, 5th bottle and this one is my second bottle. Oh, this one is also really nice. This one is oil free moisturizer, which is really good for my oily skin. My skin is too oily, and it has salicylic acid, so my active acne are also gone from this moisturizer. This one is also really nice, guys. You should give it a go if you have oily skin or any acne skin. The third is I use this Dot & Key sunscreen. I use this one. This one is also very nice for my oily skin because it leaves no white cast and leaves no white cast and very like chitto blend and oily and it is also really nice. I bought this very long time ago yeah. So I ordered a new sunscreen because it is about to finish. I wanted to try a tinted one. It's the Dot & Key, the tinted wala. So I ordered this. And I already opened but then I'm not using it right now because you move finish. This one is the sunscreen. The most important reason for ordering this one is because of the free product, this face wash from Dot & Key only. This face wash is also really nice. I use this at night only. Morning I don't use it at all, only for night time. The reason I ordered this is because of this, which is really nice. And this one is a tinted sunscreen. The price for this one was like $5.49, but I got this in $3.89 with a free product. So still deal wala situation, no. And I use this blush or glow stick. I use this one. This one is given by my sister, which is really nice. This has glitter on it, guys, and it makes my skin super glow. This one is really nice, and I use mascara also, which is Angel Vico. Mascara bina I have no life. Like mascara eyelashes, it gives a life to my eyelashes, and for my lips I use these two lip oil and lip balm, lip gloss. This one is from Mars, which I ordered so long ago, and this one is like it was $2.49, but I ordered this and I got this in 200 something only. It has a night. I'm still wearing it right now. And this one is also a lip gloss which has no tint, so it gives a very nice shine to your lips. So that's what I use. And for my perfume, I've recently started using perfume because I don't really like using perfume too. but this one is a light perfume for me. It's really nice. So चाहिँ my sister gifted me this perfume. It was in two colors, red and pink. The red one was kind of hard color हो, a color हो, smell हैन, and this one is like soft color, soft smell हुन्छ नि. I really like this one so yeah. Oh. And last but not the least, I use this hand cream from Bath and Body. This one has a really nice smell. This one is also very, it gives a glow and shiny finish, and it makes your body very nice only. So yeah guys, I use these products for my daily routine. Like this is my daily routine product. So and mostly the मेरो like skin ko लागि नै छ, because my skin has improved a lot by these products and I'm really happy with that. Oh, it has not been perfect, like still acne scars, but then it has been improved a lot. That's it for now guys. Hope you all like it. If you all want the link or anything then just comment down below. Yeah, bye guys.